guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 ways to learn to trade stocks. We're going to be talking about what I did and honestly the best ways to get started with trading. So make sure you guys like, follow, and if you want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We talk about how to find strategy, how to find stocks, different strategies, setups. You know, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years. So click that, link down below. And don't forget, you guys can get 50% off by using code FALL. It's a fall sale. Check it out down below. And guys, let's dive into this. So the biggest thing about this video is, yes, these are going to be the top 3 ways you guys should be learning to trade. But here's my pro tip. Pro tip of the day is to use every single one. There is no, secret when it comes to trading. The more you learn, the more you earn. You are the result of your actions. If you're somebody that never invests into education and expects to get rich quick, yeah, you're gonna lose money. You're not gonna be profitable. Anybody can get lucky a couple of times, but what makes a successful trader successful is consistency, not, turning $100 into 1,000. It's consistency. So guys, let's dive into the first way you guys should be learning to trade, and that is using simulators, paper trading and using simulators. Now, there is a million of free brokers out there, free, simulators out there. But for me, I love Moomoo. Moomoo is fantastic because it's all real time. Some brokers are going to be delayed up to 15 minutes when it comes with paper trading. So being able to have real time so you can practice your entries, your exits, your risk management systems before you learn, before you fund an account can easily help separate you from being profitable and not profitable, but learning to trade. Now, you need to practice buying, selling stocks in real market conditions with fake money. So everything's simulated, it's using fake money, but what you gain is experience. And with your paper trading, I would highly recommend having a trading journal where you can practice your trades and you can figure out what strategy is working and which one's not working, so you can focus on those that work. Now, this is honestly like building muscle memory, right? It's like going to the gym. You need to practice. You need to do it. You need to be consistent when going to the gym. If you go to the gym one time, you're not going to get in shape, but if you go consistently, you're going to build that muscle memory for order placement, risk management, trade execution, and all that is awesome because you can learn it without losing real money. Now, there is downsides to paper trading, and that is it lacks emotion, right? Because when you lose money, you're not losing your hard-earned cash, right? You're losing simulated money. So what you can do is after you paper trade for about 6 months, then start a small account with $100 or $200 and just try to grow it. Be consistent, right? All right, let's move on to the second way you guys can learn to trade, and that is to study strategies and market basics. So obviously, learning core concepts like candlesticks, support, resistance, moving average lines, risk and reward. Focus on one trading style, right? First. So whether it's day trading, swing trading, or just general investing, instead of trying to learn everything all at once, this will help you focus on what type of trader and strategy you want to have, right? Because a lot of you might be drawn towards day trading when in reality, you might be more of a swing trader, right? Or vice versa. So focus on one trading strategy, master it, and then move on to others. So some of the ways you guys can, master and study strategies is use books. So I have so many books. I probably have probably 15 or 20 books on just trading and candlesticks. Then YouTube, right? YouTube, you guys are watching this video, trying to learn. There's a great, there's hundreds of videos out there, thousands, of videos where you can learn to and practice different strategies. And then the last thing you guys could do is to have courses, right? I sell a course. Courses are great because it's all back tested. It's proven. I've been doing it for, now 7 years. So It's fantastic. But I'll put a link to mine down below for you guys. All right. The last way you guys can learn to trade is to learn from real traders, right? And so follow experienced traders on every social media platform: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all any social media site you have, you should be following traders on, because you can learn bits and pieces of information that you can use for future trades. So another thing that I like to do is to review past, right, stock charts, so you can see what stocks are doing when reacting to different supports, resistance, or even other indicators, so you can kind of back test, so you can focus on those and continue to do it. So, doing this, you also can obviously join a lot of great Discord communities like mine, Reddit communities. There's a lot of great options out there, honestly. But at the end of the day, it comes down to one thing, and that is you, right? I could tell you the best strategy. I've told you my strategy, you know, like probably tens of hundreds of times, different, breaking down different stacks and setups, but it's all up to you, not me, not anyone else. You are the result of your actions. So focus on learning, invest in yourself, invest into education, and don't forget, you're the result of your actions. Check out our school, sign up with Mumu, which is the broker I love, and I'll see you guys in there. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care.